How to make and create education report or document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create education report. So first thing you have to do is go to Google Docs. This is the home page. Now click on the template gallery option, scroll down all the way down until you find the education reports, and here you will find them. Now choose the template that you want. You have many templates, and after you choose the template, click on it. I'm gonna choose this one. After you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. Now here you can change this educational report, and you can change the pictures, the text, and all those stuff. After you finish editing this educational report, click here on the share option to save it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.